Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. If I see my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. So today I'm making this shift dress. I'm using floral material to achieve it, 1 yard and half of it. So guys, it's going to have side drawstring on it, and it's going to also have V neckline. So please, you can click the red button under my video to subscribe. Now you can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. You can also like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial by dropping your comments on the comment section, and you can give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and watch and learn from it. And also, you can give this video more watch times. Another way for you to support this channel to grow by watching my tutorials down to the end, guys. So if you're interested in this kind of style, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. So let's get started now with our tutorial for today, guys.
So I folded my fabric in 4 pieces. So this is my width. My width is 33 inch. That is the width 13, and the length is 33 inch. So that is it now. So that is my 33 inch for the length. So after that, now we'll go for the measurement proper now. So I will start with my neckline. My neckline is 4 inch that I'm marking, and it will have a V-shaped neckline at the front. So my V-shape to the depth is 7 inch that I'm marking there. Now after that, I will roll a line. So that is the line that I'm rolling now. That is for the V-neck line. So this is how you go when making your own. So always watch my video down to the end, please, guys. And to bring the neckline for the back, since it's 4 pieces, I'm bringing it by 2 inch. That is the depth. So that's my neckline that I'm marking also. So after that is my shoulder slope. So I will give my shoulder slope with 1 inch and slope it. So that's my shoulder slope. So I will slope it now. That is using my roller to roll it down. So can you see what I'm doing there now? This is how you go about it when making your own. So always watch this tutorial down to the end, please, guys. So what I have here now is my armhole that I want to mark that will form the sleeve. So this 9 inch that I marked there, and from there, that is where we will mark. So that is my bust. What I'm taking there is 12.5. We know we folded it in 13 inch. So that's my 12.5 inch that I marked there now. So to my under bust, I marked 3 inch, a 13 inch, please, guys, and also mark 12 inch on that line. So from there is where I'm marking now. That is from where our sleeve will start, will form, is where I'm curving, because that is where we will sew down to the length, and it will give us that our cut together sleeve that we are making. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So can you see what I've done there now? So I'm cutting now because we have finished marking everything. It's 4 pieces that I've marked and folded it. So can you see how it is? So this is how you also do your own when making your own, and it will have a side drawstring, and you will see how we go about it when making it. So just stay tuned and watch it so that you can see how we are going to do the side of the drawstring. So can you see how it is now? So you can see where I marked that 9 inch that will form our sleeve, and so this is how you also mark it. And remember, I marked from the shoulder to get it 9 inch. So that is it. So let me open it. That is for the back side, because we already cut the back neck. Is the front neck that I want to cut, that my V-shaped neckline that I want to cut now. Remember, it's 7 inch that I marked to the cleavage, that is the depth of the neck. So that is the front now that I'm marking my V neckline. So I will also spread it out for you now to see how it is. And after that, I will go and run a stitch to the shoulder and join it together. So I want to show you where I will mark from my length now. So this is how it is now. To start to turn it, I will turn it. I'll also show you how to do it so that we'll pass our rope. So this is my rope now that I will use to pass that drawstring at the side. So that is the width. My width there is 2" and I will fold it. So this I will go and fold it on my machine and sew it out and iron it out, and I'd also cut it in 4 pieces. That's what I'm using my hand to just show you what I will do there now. So can you see how it is now? So this is it now. So after that, I've joined it with the string, that is the rope that I will use. This I will do it now. So that is the length. The length is 12" each in 4 pieces. So it will go in 4 pieces because I will use it to pass in 2 side of it now. So can you see what I've done there? That is the side now. So I want to show you how to fix it now. So this is how you have run it, and from my shoulder is what I marked to my half length 15. So from 15" from there, that is where I will pass it. So I have my safety pin that I will use to pass it out, and remember I also open a place. That is where I'm showing you. That is where I will use it to pass it and drag it out, and it will shrink. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So on that side that I'm putting it out, so I will pause a bit and use my safety pin to pin it down. So that is my safety pin I want to use and pin it down. So I will continue to drag it and it will now shrink. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. Can you see what I'm doing here? So I want you guys to have your fabric so that you can make it on your own, and you can see how it's very simple to go and do it on your own. So that is the other side. I'm also dragging it now. So I will also do it the same and use my pin to pin it down, so that we'll continue to drag it and to form that our drawstring. So can you see it's one side of it that I'm doing there now. So the other side I also make it as the same. So this is how you go about it when making your. So this is my pin. You need to pin it down, so you know why we are doing that, because we don't want it to pull out. So this is it now. So you can see that I've done the 2 sides of it now. So this is how you also do it, and just tie it down. So this is what I'm doing, showing you how to pass it and also tie it down. It's very simple, very neat, and you can see that we use floral material to make this tie. So you can also use your Accra depending on the fabric that you want to use, and do it and you achieve your style. So this is how you go about it. So after that now, just for us now to wear it out, and you see the outfit, and it will come out very good. So this is how you also go when making your own.
This is what we made today. You can see how simple it was for us to cut and sew it. Is a drawstring side dress, and we made use of a floral material to achieve this style. You can see how simple and neat the dress is. It has a V neckline in the front. So guys, please click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell to get. Thank you guys for always watching my tutorials. You can see how we cut this particular set that we did today. Just follow the procedure. You are going to achieve your own after watching this particular tutorial down to the end. Please give this video more watch time. You can give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch. Please give this video more watch time. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.